Hello, this is Kent from Easy Test Pool Supplies on another episode of Diving In with Kent. And with me again is Tim McDonough from Radiant. Tim, thank you so much for being here.
Hi, Kent. Great to be here. Thank you very much.
Great to have you. Thank you. What is on the horizon for Radiant in 2023?
Okay, great question. We are, after multiple, not setbacks in the industry, but COVID and things like that, we've kind of put things... We put a few things on hold for R&D, but now we're back on track when we're developing new product shapes, new product sizes, and technology within our product. And that includes, we mentioned before with the geofoam steps, we do different structures in the pool also. So, benches and things like that. So there's a lot available out there, and we're going to be constantly innovating as we move forward.
That's great. Well, Tim, I and Easy Test Pools truly appreciate you taking the time to come talk with us. And here's to a great 2023 swimming season.
Yep. Thank you very much, Kent. Thank you for having me in again.
Thank you, Tim.
Have a great day.
You too.
Thanks.
So this has been another episode of Diving In with Kent. Join us next time. Thank you for watching.